Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog video. My name is Xavier and I'm a junior here at the Florida State University. I just recently moved here from St. Petersburg after graduating with both my high school diploma and 2-year degree this past 2020 school year. This video was highly requested from both friends and family. And now that I've settled in and got accustomed to my new schoolwork and my schedule, I thought this would be a great time to do this video. All right, so let's go. You come in the front door, all 17 stairs are waiting for you. And me and my dad literally caught so much grief trying to carry all my stuff up there. Oh my God, we were so tired. My mom literally sat there and watched us. So that was a fun moment for us. Please note the sarcasm. But when you go to the left when you come in, this is just our living room. There was an event last night for one of my roommates. She just turned 21, so excuse the disorder in here right now. But, so like I said before, I don't know or not, but it's furnished. This is a furnished apartment. Oh my God, my grammar. So the couch comes with everything, or the couch comes, but like the pillows and stuff they did add. My roommates got here before me. They've been here, I believe, since like August. So they had like a chance to put like their touches on stuff. And the TV also is included. It's a 50-inch Roku TV. So all the apartments come with one. I don't know what that was that just started like watering itself, but okay. The stand, like where the TV's like mounted, like that comes with it. And then my roommates just kind of have some decorations up here. And one of them has their game system up here. Right here is a pantry. I like it because like basically each person gets one. They are locked. Mine isn't locked right now because I did do some grocery shopping today that I went and picked up. So I just got like canned goods down here, vegetables, rice, pasta, some seasoning, some pancake mix. Most of my stuff is upstairs. Like I have like a whole crate under my bed just full of snacks. So yeah, I just keep stuff that I really don't need in my room down here. And like all my meat and stuff I keep in the freezer. I got boneless chicken breast. I got some boneless chicken thighs back there. Some beef, some lasagna. I don't know what this is. This isn't mine, but yeah, so we all just split like the refrigerator space and stuff. And then I keep all my stuff down in this corner. Just eggs, bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, some broccoli, some steak that I planned on cooking tonight. So, yeah. And then we just split, like, all the cabinet space. We have plenty of space in here for us. So, all the appliances are stainless steel. And we got a flat top stove, double sink, bar area. The stools come with it as well. And right here is also something else I love is our half bathroom. Really convenient for when you have stuff like events and people over. Like last night they were celebrating, so this is like really convenient, so you don't have to like run up to your room and your guests don't all have to run up to your room. So yeah, this is our humble place. We all try to do our part around here. So the layout of our apartment is a 3-story townhouse layout. And I'll try and upload a picture of those layouts so you guys can see it. The second floor is where I'm at right here. That's my bedroom. And across the hall from me is an empty bedroom where no one is in right now. Stairs right here leads up to the 3rd floor. I'm not going to go up there right now, but that is where our laundry room is, and 2 other bedrooms where my roommates live. So everyone has their own key to their room, so no one can just go in and out of each other's room. And when we come inside, this is my room. This is the regular sized bedroom. Each floor has a master bedroom and a regular bedroom. The only difference in the master bedroom is that it has more of a hallway style entrance. When you come in, instead of walking right into your room, it's like a small hallway you kind of go through. Not a big difference. I mean, in rent, there's a difference, but honestly, I really like the size of my room, so I don't have an issue with it at all.
She said, what you know about us? Tell you everything. I got what you need. Move in the store and get what you want. You get what you please.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view, yeah.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me.
She said, I got what you need. Move in the store and get what you want. You get what you please.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view, yeah.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me.
Ready for the diva.